Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see a new topic, that is the exponents and powers. So first thing we are going to see here, we are not going to go directly to the examples, but we'll see some of the key points over here. And here, first we'll start with the exponents. So what is exponents? So exponents represent how many times a number is multiplied by itself. Now suppose here I write here 4 raised to 2. This is the 4 raised to 2. So this, whatever you can see here, this is the exponent, and we can also call this as a index. And this is the base. So how many times a number means multiplied means when we write here 4 raised to 2, that means it is 4 is multiplied 2 times. So here, this is called the exponential form. And same thing if we take this one, whenever we multiply this 7 into 7 into 7 into 7, this is 4 times, this is called the expanded form. And same number we can write this as in the word form as 7 to the 4th power, 7 to the 4th power. So whenever we have such type of number, we just called as this as a standard form. So now let us see there are many laws in exponents, and you should know the laws first before doing the examples. And it is a very big topic. So we are going to see the examples later on. So first let us see the laws. So this is called the zero power. Zero power means this is the base, that anything raised to zero, that is a second raised to 0, that is going to be 1. So the example, suppose we take a as 3. So 3 raised to 0 is 1. So product of powers means, product means you know the multiplication. So we can also put a dot over here. We can write as we can put a cross, that is a multiplication sign. So whenever this base are same and the exponents are different, so we write here, we add it. For multiplication, we add it. So this is the example, like suppose a is 3. So these base are same. So we add this exponents, that is 4 plus 2, that is going to be 6. So now the quotient. Quotient means we are going, whenever we divide this one. So now you can see the base are same. So it is going to be, see the difference. This is addition. And whenever we divide, we subtract here. The exponents are subtracted. So if we take an example, in place of a, we take 3 over here. So that will be, the base will be, we're going to write it only once, and 5 minus 2, that is going to be 3 raised to 3. Then power to a power. So power to a power means you have to put a bracket over here. So there will be a raised to m raised to n. That will be, you have to multiply this one. So now look at this one. This is the example. This you're going to multiply. That is going to be 3 raised to 10. Now power of a product. So in this case, when we write AB raised to m, so we are going to multiply this as well as this one. So what will be that? A raised to m multiplied by b raised to m. And if you take the example here, in place of a, this will be there. So you are going to multiply this as well as this one. So that will be 3 raised to 2, x raised to 3, and 3 raised to 2 is 9, and this will be x raised to 2. So whenever there is a negative power, the power is here, this is negative. So you are just going to take the reciprocal. So you are going to write here 1 by a raised to m. So this negative becomes positive over here. Or if it is here, a raised to 1 by a raised to minus. So this becomes a positive. It goes in the numerator. So if you take an example over here, this example over here, that will be 1 by 3. And if you take here, this is going to be 3. And see how it came to 1 by 3 raised to minus 1. So you are going to write a 1 by 3 raised to minus 1 bits. That is going to be 1 by 3. This is the denominator. So this becomes the reciprocal. 3 goes in the numerator. So that will be 3. Then the power of a quotient. So see here, whenever this is there, you are going to multiply this into this and this into this one. So that says that a raised to m divided by b raised to m. Same over here, if we take in place of a, we take 2, b, we take 3. So you are going to multiply this as well as this one. So 2 raised to 2 divided by 3 raised to 2, that is going to be 4 by 9. These are some of the laws of the exponents. Now let us see the order of operations. Suppose now this is, we say PEMDAS. So P stands for the parenthesis. So always you will start with the parenthesis. So I put an arrow over here, parenthesis, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So P stands for the parenthesis. Then there comes the exponents we have to see. Then multiply and divide from left to right, and add and subtract we are going to do. So can you see here? Whenever there are two things here, so what we are going to do? We are going to multiply and divide from left to right. So this we are going to see the examples later on. There are many examples, but just you need to see what does this stand for, the PEMDAS stands for, and what is the full form of it. So I'll give you the examples in the next video. So keep on watching, because this is one of the most important topic. So now look at here. A plus 0 is equal to A. This. And whenever you multiply by 0, A multiplied by 0 means any number you multiply by 0 is always 0. And A raised to 0, that is going to be, this is one of the important law, A raised to 0. So if I write here anything 4 raised to 0, that is also going to be 1. Anything raised to 0 is going to be 1. So what is the difference between the multiplication and exponents? Or many times this is a confusion. What is the difference between the multiplication and exponent? So multiplication is actually the repeated addition. Suppose we take 2 plus 2, repeated addition means any number this is getting repeated. So if we take here 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is going to be, that is 4 times 2, right? So what are we going to do? We are going to write a 4 into 2, that is going to be the 8. But in exponents is what? That is the repeated multiplication. Suppose I write here 2 multiplied by 2. This is going to be 4 times. That will be 2 raised to 4, and which is going to be 16. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So by this one, we have done some of the key points from this topic. So in the next video, I'll give you the examples of this one. So keep on watching for this topic. Please do like and subscribe to this channel so you get the notification of the other part and many more. Thank you.